here I am, everybody, at this Commanders game in this nice suite, and look at this delicious food that we have. This is the rice, which is pretty good. This smoked turkey is to die for. It's so delicious.
You're not gonna mention your son-in-law right here?
Okay, I tell you about the grapes first. These are the delicious grapes. These are nice fresh green grapes and they taste good. Watch and see. That's my son-in-law. Thank him and my daughter for inviting us out here today. And let me have the phone for a second. And that's my husband, Leon. We're Commanders fans, even though we support the Raiders. And if you could look at my neck for a minute, my son was a devoted Raiders fan since the age of about 8. So I had to bring him here today to represent. And if you can see that view, it's a great view. So that's all for now. Go Commanders.